In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 not launching. So when you try to play the game CS2 and you'll get this error, I'll be showing you some fixes to this problem. So first, check your system requirements. So open up your Steam and then type in Counter-Strike, scroll down, and you will see here your system requirements for Counter-Strike 2. So as long as you get these minimum requirements, you should be able to play Counter-Strike 2 without problem. Second, check your video and graphics driver if it is up to date. In your search bar, search for device manager and then expand display adapters and then right click your graphics drivers and click onto update driver and click search automatically for drivers to make sure that you have the most up-to-date drivers for your graphics card. Third, check for any available updates on your Windows updates. So in your search bar, type in Windows updates to open it up. And then if you have an outdated system of Windows, just go ahead and update your Windows. So you will see it here, updates available. So just go ahead and click that one and download the latest version. So fourth, open up your Steam and then go to your library and then find the Counter-Strike 2. Right click this one and go to properties. So in here, check if all your files are correct and there's no problem with any installed files. So just click installed files at the left side and click select verify integrity of game files. So if there's a files that is not installed correctly, what it's going to do is basically fix this problem for you. And once done, you have to restart your PC and play Counter-Strike 2 successfully. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.